Let me show you how to make the most incredible caramelized pork bites using your air fryer. These little pieces of heaven combine sweet honey with savory spices for a recipe that will absolutely blow your mind. Start with quality pork shoulder cut into 2 cm cubes, the perfect size for maximum flavor penetration. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 spoon of honey for that beautiful caramelization, 1 spoon of soy sauce for depth, 1 spoon of cooking wine for tenderness, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for richness, and 1 spoon of barbecue seasoning for that signature smoky flavor. Massage those flavors into every piece until they are evenly coated. Arrange them in your air fryer basket in a single layer. This ensures perfect crispness on all sides. A light spray of oil helps achieve that golden brown finish we are after. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once the timer goes off, you will already smell something amazing. Give them a quick toast with more barbecue seasoning and back in for just 2 more minutes. This final touch creates that irresistible crust. What comes out is nothing short of magical. Caramelized is just giving way to juicy, tender pork that's packed with flavor. The honey creates this glossy glaze that makes every piece look and taste professional.